Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to explain here encoding. Okay, it means to put a sequence of characters into a specific format. Okay, the character may be letter, number, operators, punctuators, separators, etc. Okay, so now there are two encoding schemes. How many? Two. First one is what? Ascii. Second one is what? Unicode. You are familiar with the Ascii code. Ascii code means what? Look here. ASCII means its full form is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. This code is popular in data communication. Okay. It is defined into two ways. There are two types of the ASCIIs. First one, old one is what? ASCII 7-bit and new one is what? ASCII 8-bit. Okay. ASCII code को दो parts में divide किया गया है, ASCII 7 and ASCII 8. What is the meaning of ASCII 7? It represents how many bits? 128 different characters. Okay. So means what? You know na, different characters A, B, C, D, small, capital and numbers, all characters which one is given on the keyboard. So now second one is the ASCII 8. It is extended form. This is, you know na, extended form is what? The new version. Okay, it is an 8-bit code. Allows how many characters? 256. So now next encoding scheme is what? Unicode. This one is the most popular. Java uses only which one? Unicode. So universal code. This Unicode is wide representation of characters in numeric forms. Please pay attention with this one. Unicode covers all human language letters. Okay, like this one, Japanese के जो alphabets होंगे उसको भी cover करता है और हिंदी characters के alphabets को भी cover करता है. That's why it is called Unicode. Chinese का भी cover करता है. It covers all human languages letters. Java follows Unicode. Now next one, the data representation. Data, now question is here, what is the meaning of data representation? Okay, so now in this one, a important question is data, what is the meaning of data? So please pay attention. Data is collection of raw facts and figures. Raw fact means what? जो आप number लेते हो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this type, and figures means you know image. So what is the data? Data is a collection of raw facts and figures. Okay. It deals with the numbers, text, I have already told, image, etc. Data does not convey meaning. Suppose data का मतलब क्या होता है? उसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि ये real meaning है, ये show करेगा. Okay, suppose करो you are making tea, so tea leaf and sugar, that is the data. But इसका meaning चाय बन के नहीं आना हुआ. जो चाय बन के आती है after processing, that is what? That is information. The same thing here, data does not convey meaningful result. It process to give meaningful information or meaningful information, meaningful जो output आता है, that is called information. So you can say here data, process and information. So difference between data and information. Information is what? Meaningful, means after processing the data, what will you get? That is called information. Or data is what? Raw input, raw material. That is called what? Data. So please pay attention. Now come on the next page. Here encoding is given. Okay. What is given here? Encoding. So no, this one is not here. Encoding already told. So now next one. Look here. Bit, nibble and byte. What is the meaning of bit, nibble and byte? A binary digit is known as bit. You know this one. Okay. Which may be 0 or 1. A bit is a primary unit of information. You know this one. What is the meaning of bit? 0 and 1 is called what? Bit. Okay. And set of 4 bit is called nibble. 0, 1, कोई भी 4 bit का कोई number है, that is called what? Nibble. And 8 bit का combination क्या बोलेंगे? That is called byte. 4 bit equals to 1 nibble, 8 bit equals to 1 byte, 16 bit equals to 2 bytes. Now, representation of real number. This is very important. You pay attention here. Representation of real numbers. In computer, the numbers are represented in binary form. You know this one. Each number is a real number and has finite number. Each number is a real number and has finite numbers of digits. हर एक नंबर रियल नंबर है और सबके पास क्या है, फाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स. इट इज क्लासिफाइड इन टू वेज. फर्स्ट वन फिक्स पॉइंट रियल नंबर, सेकेंड इज फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट रियल नंबर. First one is a fixed point real number, second is a floating point. So now we will discuss here fixed point real number. Fixed point real numbers are the numbers that have fixed position for the placement of decimal. For example, you can see here, suppose you have written here 1101.1.0. Okay, so you can see here कि ये decimal value के बाद ये digit है ना, तो यानी कि एक place के बाद आफ्टर द डेसिमल अगर कोई एक सिंगल डिजिट लिया, या यू कैन से हियर कि एट द लास्ट डेसिमल लगा करके अगर कोई वैल्यू डिजिट ली जा रही, दैट इज व्हाट फिक्स पॉइंट, फिक्स पोजीशन. ओके, इन दिस डेसिमल पॉइंट इज प्लेस्ड एट एंड. डेसिमल पॉइंट हमेशा कहाँ लगाएंगे, लास्ट में लगाएंगे, आफ्टर द लास्ट digit, the number. Example you can see here 111. You can see here once again, look this example 11101.0. ये digit यहाँ खत्म हुआ, after that decimal and this one. So this one is example of the fixed point real number. Okay, now look here, using decimal point in fixed point number is always ignored. Okay, using decimal points, fixed point number में suppose करो 1101.0, so इसको ignore कर देते हैं, always ignore करते हैं, ठीक है. almost all integer number fall under this category. सभी integer इस category में आएंगे. It is classified into following categories. Tomorrow I will discuss about this one. सब integer इसमें आ जाएंगे, ठीक है. So now you write in your copy and try to understand. If any doubt, you can call me. God bless you.